Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the email from your Roblox account. It's actually very easy to do. All you have to do is follow the steps that I'm going to show you, so make sure you watch it until the end. Before starting to remove your email from Roblox, first, make sure that your Roblox app is already updated. If it's already updated, all you need to do is open your Roblox app in your device, log into your Roblox account, and after logging in, you need to click the icon at the bottom right corner that says More, then scroll down and find Settings. Click on it. After that, click on Account Info. Now as you can see, I have my email here that is connected to my Roblox account. Roblox didn't provide any button for removing our email from Roblox, but you can remove your email from Roblox by doing this. You need to change your age to under 13. You can do that by changing your birthday. After changing your birthday, you will be asked to enter your Roblox password. Once done, click on Verify My Age. They will ask you to verify your identity, but you can just skip that. The last thing that you're going to do is to close the Roblox app and open it again. And there you have it. You've successfully removed your email from your Roblox account. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.